Hello, I'm Dave Thurman, Dean and CEO of Northeastern in Seattle. I'd like to wish you all a happy International Education Week, which starts on Monday, November 15th, to celebrate the benefits of international education and exchange worldwide. This is an important topic on the Seattle campus, not just because we host hundreds of international students each year from dozens of countries and every continent except Antarctica. International Education Week is about promoting the sharing of ideas and cultures. And now more than ever, every one of us needs to be a little more understanding, a little more accepting, a little more interested in making the world a better place for all. Our most pressing challenges like pandemics and climate change, economic disparity and threats to democracy, require partnership and collaboration across geographic and ideologic divides. And that starts with all of us getting to know each other a little better. So I encourage all of you, whether you grew up right here in Seattle or somewhere else in the US, or in one of the more than 30 countries we have represented on our campus, to take advantage of the programming and the activities offered during International Education Week. Get to know your fellow learners a bit more, build some connections that help you appreciate the global context in which we all live. For sure, the world could use a lot more of that right now. And to our international students here, I want to thank you for choosing the Seattle campus to be part of your lifelong learning journey. We're really glad to have you in our community.